In this course, you will be presented with a lot of information, and this movie is geared towards helping you get the most out of it. I'd like to take a brief moment to review the purpose of this course, which is to gain a high-level understanding of the Pmbok guide, including the project management framework, the external influences affecting a project, particularly the environment of a project, and the project management processes and knowledge areas presented in the Pmbok guide. The high-level overview will introduce you to all of these items, basically touching on the entire Pmbok guide. The courses that follow this one, Pmbok Part 2, Pmbok Part 3, and Pmbok Part 4, zoom in and discuss the details of each process and project management activity. This course will provide you with a solid foundation that you need to understand the Pmbok guide and its structure, and also as a starting point for your PMP and CAPM exam preparation studies. I mention all of this for the reason that a lot of information is included, so it must be approached with the mindset of a high-level review. With that said, here are a few notes to help you gain the most of this course. Along with this course, you will receive work files to accompany the movies. Here is a description of those documents and how best to utilize them. Throughout the course, you will see words with a red asterisk after them. This indicates a term that you should know. You'll find this document within your work files titled Project Management Terms, where you can fill in the description for each term by hand. The act of writing out the definition has been shown to help you lock it into memory versus typing or copying and pasting the information. I would suggest transferring these terms onto flashcards. At the end of the course, we will review these terms once more and any other important term. Throughout the course, you'll find exam review movies. These movies discuss the correct answers to the exam practice test document. I suggest not taking the exam practice test until you've reviewed the corresponding movies. Here is the layout of the practice tests. Questions 1 through 5 pertain to the introductory section on project management. Questions 6 through 10 relate to the section on project management framework. 11 through 15 are geared towards organizational structures. 16 through 20 relate to the project life cycle. 21 through 30 relate to the project management processes. And the last 5 questions relate to social and professional responsibility. The answers are provided to you during the movie reviews. Another document you'll find in the work files includes one called Process Overview. I'll reference this document a few times during the course, and I highly recommend printing this out and keeping it in a visible location as you watch the movies. Especially during the process reviews. This document has all of the processes listed, divided by process group and knowledge area. You'll find a similar chart in the Pmbok guide, and I suggest that you memorize it. It's not necessary to memorize it before going through the course. Other documents within your work file include process overview notes for each of the 5 process groups. Inside of these documents, you will find the process group's flow and also each process where you will fill in the description. This will later serve as a great reference guide, and again, I suggest manually filling in this information. You'll find a similar document that covers all 9 knowledge areas called Knowledge Area Review. This document you will utilize during the section on Knowledge Area Overview. And now we're ready to launch into our course, including an overview of the PMP and CAPM exams.